I see you. We're in Caravan 1003. And that orange car is Alicia's. And you've just come from the way in is that way. In front is the clubhouse that we just went to. And if you come in and take a right, we're down here somewhere, we think. There.
You move over so
1001. 2003. It's a nice looking caravan from the outside. Let's hope it's nice inside. Oh, and this area here is fenced, so Emmie can play in the garden safely. That's nice. Checks you the code and you get the key from a lockbox, Alicia just said. Brilliant.
Contactless. It's good that they've blocked off underneath.
Oh yeah, I hadn't noticed that.
Oh, I like that.
Ms. Alicia
Oh
Everest.
my gosh, I like this. Stunning.
Oh, lovely.
Wow.
Really lovely. Oh my goodness. What do you think,
so
Emmie?
Nice.
Is this Emmie's house? Oops. Oh.
Toilet, ironing board, fridge, wine rack.
Right, in here we have an ironing board. And then a brush.
It's cleaner than the cutlery and bingo.
Lots and lots of cutlery. An iron.
Just breathe it in, guys.
Everything, all glasses. I would have thought plates and
Got two
everything.
buttons.
Are we really?
Yeah.
That's great.
What? What have we got?
So in here there's a toilet and shower. And me. Sorry. Right. I'll go in this way. See.
Where'd that come from?
What? Look at the sofa. I know, where'd it come from? Normally we get them hard seats
And
with them
in
hard
here-
things on.
It's a twin. And in here is a wardrobe. Daniel's just locked me in. Oh, under there is USB ports, 2 USB ports and a plug socket.
There's 2 beds.
There's 2 beds in here.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry. Sorry, just camera in your face. In there is the double bed. Double bed in there and lots of storage. There's a lovely vanity area there. A TV up on top. And some coat hangers there. Fantastic. Doors 1, 2. Then the next one is another twin room, so 3 bedrooms with more storage.
That's a bathroom.
And then in here is another
Emmie, do you
bath.
want to see the bathroom?
Another toilet. So it's just a toilet in here, no shower, but that's fantastic. 2 toilets. That's brilliant.
2 toilets. Look, Emmie. That's just...
So there's a gas cooker, and by the look of it, the gas.
You got knobs?
It's got hobs.
How many knobs has it got?
Quite a few. Extractor fan and microwave and kettle, and then in here kettle or toaster, and then pots and pans and plates. Lots and lots of things. Daniel with his nice milkshake when Alicia's struggling to get everything in on her own. And I've got mail. Hi. But that's fantastic. I've still got mail. Our view is of more Caravan.
I'll stop bringing stuff in. Didn't bring you along for nothing. I'll be back into it.
And the fire as well. And there's storage cupboards.
Yeah, that's over.
Set up your Wi-Fi. Brilliant. I really hope that
Wi-Fi.
the Wi-Fi is good here. Really do, because both myself and Daniel have to work tomorrow. My work is obviously far more important than Daniel's, but he does need to do
Save
some
lives,
stuff.
you know, save the planet.
Dr. Daniel.
Yeah.
Yes. What do you think of it?
It'll do.
It's absolutely amazing for the money, I think. It's
90 quid,
fantastic.
I can
How much?
90.
90 it was.
For the week.
At least said 99.
99.
Oh, is it?
Kristen?
Yes. Okay, I gotta go and see Sal. Look what's in this bed. There's a little head. She was sleeping in there. There's a big girl in there sleeping. Are you a little baby? Oh, little baby. Say that again.
I was a little baby last night.
You was a little baby last night.
Yeah.
Were you?
Yeah.
What are you today?
I wake up. I was a big girl.
Oh, you was a little baby when you went to sleep, and then when you woke up, you turned into a big girl.
Yeah.
Wow, that's brilliant. And now you're a big girl.
Yeah.
Gosh, can you all see how big she is? She is big now. Big girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like your sleeping bag.
You want to cuddle in my bed?
Oh, I'd love to. I would love to.
I lay down in your bed.
Yes. Can you manage? Are you a bit stuck?
Yeah. Oh, I bowing down.
Oh, you banged down. Oh.
I want to curse sleeping bag.
Oh, just a second. Oh, how'd you get in there? That's strange.
That's too strange.
It is very strange.
It's too big.
Right.
Oh, I like it with wig. Wow, dandelions.
Oh, do you like the garden?
Yeah.
I like your garden too. You have lots of dandelions and daisies.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the ones that do the fairies that you blow like that. You got that in your mouth earlier, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you like it in your new caravan, Emmie?
Yeah.
Do you like your holiday?
Yeah, I want to open the window.
I don't think you should, because in case you fall out, it's a long way down.
Oh.
Okay?
I want to open it.
Yeah, you can't because it's a long way down if you
Let's
fall.
sleep.
Okay.
Sleepy back.
Sleepy bag. Right, there you go. You've got to get in there.
Yeah.
Okay?
A sleepy back.
You've got a sleepy bag. Night, night. Night,
Night.
night, night.
You're going to sleep in my bed?
I would love to. I'm going to sleep in the next bed there. Grandma's going to sleep in that bed, and Emmie's going to sleep in this bed, okay? Yeah. Okay. Night, night.
That's quite a nice case.
You sleep in my bed?
Yes, please.
You want the camera down?
Okay. Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye-bye, camera.